Let's try the first 4. Repeat after me. We'll go G, 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 D. And then E, E, D, rest. You see the little black squiggle like that? That is called a quarter rest. Can you say quarter rest? Now let's try the first 2 measures from the beginning, like this. We'll go G, 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 D, E, E, D, rest. Your turn. And then we're going to come up to this higher B, 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 A, G, rest, rest. And then there's one more note over here, but this note is called a pickup note. Can you say pickup note? It's because it picks up right before the beginning of the next measure. So it actually kind of belongs to the next part. So we're going to say something like this. We could say like G, rest, rest, D. And then we have to go right from D to the next G's, just like at the beginning of the song. So we'll think like G, rest, rest, D, G, 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 D, E, E, D, rest. A little tricky. Otherwise, it's like the very beginning of the song. And let's go to the next part here. And then B, B, A, G, rest, rest. And then, look, we've got 2 sneaky little D's sitting right there. Those are also pickup notes to the beginning of the next section, which if you're following along in the book, is at the top of the next page. So let's scroll down and see how these little D's connect. Right here, we could think G, rest, rest, D, D, G, G, G. See how it jumps from there to there? Ooh. And then we've got some more little D's right here. These are also pickup notes to the next set, like this. G, 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 D, D, G, 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 rest. Ooh. And then let's go to the next part here. We've got some little ones are twice as fast as the big ones, like this. So we'll go G, 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 G. And that's quick, quick, long, quick, quick, long. And then how many little ones do we have here? Remember from our warm-up that we did? We have G, 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 D. 4 quick ones, and then long, long, like this. Quick, 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 long, long. And then we are at the end of the song, which is like the beginning of the song. So we'll go G, 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 D, E, E, D, rest. The last 2 measures, B, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, done. And we have reached the end of the song. At this point, you should give yourself a round of applause for doing a great job. Bravo. And at the end of class, I always like to say, let's be playful. Great job.